Original Senka Perfect Whip or White Clay Perfect Whip? Well, right away, I can tell you they're both great. If you've already tried the original formula and want something that feels a little more deep cleaning, this white clay version might be for you. It's still got that classic Japanese foaming cleanser, but with mineral rich white clay added to help absorb excess oil and lift away dirt and dead skin cells from your pores. Just like the original Perfect Whip, a big selling point here is the foam. You squeeze a small amount out of the tube, just like a pea size, add a bit of water, and then it whips up into this really dense, cushiony foam that feels almost like shaving cream. If you've ever used a fine liquid clay mask product, you might be familiar with the silky, luxurious texture. Anyway, the denser foam you get from this version helps reduce friction while you wash your face, and it spreads easily, so a little product does go a long way. The white clay in the white clay formula is designed to help pull out oil, sebum, and impurities from the pores, which is why this version tends to be popular with people who have oily or combination skin. It also contains silk essence and double hyaluronic acid, which help keep the skin feeling smooth and hydrated while you cleanse. After rinsing, my skin feels fresh and clean, almost that classic squeaky clean feeling, and I believe its claim that it can help remove excess oil and buildup from things like sunscreen or daily pollutions. For me, because it cleans so thoroughly, I find it a little drying. I am an older woman and a little tight after washing, so the white clay product is the one that I will use less often, typically in hot weather or when my skin feels congested. If you're asking which one you should buy, I say, especially at the excellent price point, get both. My guess is you'll likely run out of the original formula before the white clay version, though. The only time I would suggest getting only the white clay upgrade, if you can call it that, is if you have very oily skin and need oil control, or if you have combination skin. Both of them offer delightfully rich foam and will last you a very, very long time. Great value, and I strongly recommend.